Hi, I'm Neil. I'm going to explain the first experiment in Unix lab. Well, the aim and the question is to perform basic Unix commands using shell scripting. We are given with series of commands, and we have to display the commands. Okay, the first command is to list the contents of the user home directory, including the hidden files. So the command is ls space -a. And my next command is list the contents of the slash variable directory. So it is ls space slash variable, the command. So I have to create two directories and name one directory as dir1 and second one as dir2. So my command is mkdir space dir and space dir1. The first dir will display my first directory file as dir1 and second one will be dir2. So my next question is create a hidden directory with my name. So I have given a replaceable name, so mkdir followed by slash any name, your name, my name, etc. So my next command is change the directory 1. So followed by another directory, this means I have to come back to my first directory. So the command is cd space dir to bring me back to my first directory. And my next command is copy the file from this file to current directory with sample text as a file text. So my command is cp and the destination, so ct etc as password, and my text file given as a sample text, so sample.txt. And my next question is change to your home directory. Use password command to check whether you are in the home directory or not. So it's simple as this. So the command is pwd, check my password. So my next question is create a file text1.txt using vim editor with the following contents to it. So I am using the vi editor and my file name text is text.txt. The text is my file name. You can use any kind of file names also. So my next question is display the students name who are having research interest as grid computing. On the given series of commands in my text, I have to display the students whose category research interest is displaying to grid computing. So grep is a command, gridtest.txt is my file, cut f/f.1 will display all the students name. This is the command. So my next question is list all the student names and register number in the class. So cat test.txt, which is my file name, slash cut slash f/f1,2 will display all the students name and their register number. So my next question is display the contents of the file test.1 without any black lines. Without any black lines, I will display all the text names. So grep /v open braces $$ close braces and text.txt, my file name, will display all the without any black lines. This is the command. So my next question is move the file sample text from dir1 directory to dir2 directory. So this is simple. mv is the command. Dir sample text is my text name. I have to move this to directory 1 to move everything to directory 1. Change the directory to dir2 directory, which is simple as cd, which is my command, and directory 1 will move everything to directory 2. So check whether the file sample is present in their group. Okay, so ls hyphen grep sample.txt is my file name, will display all that file example in the present here. So my next question is rename the file text to new text and check whether the sample text is in there or not. So mv sample text.txt will rename the file, my file name is exactly sample.txt to new.txt. So my next question is display the calendar in December 2020. Cal will display the calendar. 12 is the month December and 2020 is the year. So next question is remove the directory 1. I have created only one directory, dir1. I have to remove that. So for removing it is rm director space /dir will display will remove my directory. And next question is display the 3 lines of the file which I created is test1.txt. So tail, which will display, which is a command for displaying the last. So -3 last 3 lines. I renamed the file as new.txt. So it's new.txt. This is the command. So next question is display all the commands we have executed so far and save the list in the file names. I have to show all so I have to show the history for today's hyphen today history.txt will display all the commands I have executed today, and how many files are present in my home directory. So ls hyphen space wc hyphen w will display how many files present in my home directory. Here are the commands, and I'll show you the output. These are output for the following commands: for changing the grid test and for changing the cat files, and displaying the students along with their grid research interest as grid computing, and displaying all the student name and the registration and password, and displaying the calendar for December 2020. And here my final grid computing results. So here are the Unix command in the shell scripting. So the Unix commands are executed successfully. So thank you.